How to verify email on TextNow? First of all, open the app on your device. Make sure you have already signed up and logged into your account. Next, go to your account settings by tapping on your profile icon or the menu option. Look for the Resend link option under email. Tap on Resend link and check your inbox for an email from TextNow. Open the email and click on the verification link provided in the email. This will confirm your email address and link it to your TextNow account. Once your email is verified, you will have full access to all TextNow features, including account recovery options and notifications. Now you know how to verify your email on TextNow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.